If you need to carry one more bike, you can buy XA Max and increase the capacity to 2 bikes, 200 pounds. Remember, XA Max can only be used on X1 Max. Remove the 2 bolts from XA Max. Remove the 4 seals and insert the XA Max to the rack base. Press the adjustment button while unfolding the bent arm to contrast direction. Now let's install the wheel holder. Now it's finished. You can find the quick fold mechanism right in between the 2 trays. Let's load on the bike. Get ultimate flexibility with this set. Add the XA Max accessory to carry 2 bikes up to 200 pounds. It's adjustable, reinforced, and ready for any adventure. The choice is yours.